Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
While uncured bacon is still cured bacon, it undergoes a much different process. A process that is better for you and much more flavorful. Simply put, uncured bacon is bacon that has not been cured with synthetically sourced nitrates and nitrites.
Take our lead.
An uncured ham can be cooked the same way as a cured ham. When purchasing uncured meats, nearly all of them are fully cooked before purchase. So, it's just a matter of reheating it to your liking and serving it alongside your favorite recipe.
Take our lead.
Processed meats are meats that have been preserved by smoking or salting, curing or adding chemical preservatives. They include deli meats, bacon and hot dogs. Eating processed meats increases your cancer risk. Unfortunately, when these processed meats are preserved, cancer-causing substances form.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.